Hey guys, today we have with us here the Mivi Roam Bluetooth speaker. Before opening the package, let's look at the back of the box. On the back you see the specifications of the speaker itself. It's got a 5.0 version of Bluetooth with a 5-watt output. Now let's open the box. Inside the box you see the speaker itself. Along with the speaker you get what seems like a standard user manual and a 3.5mm audio cable along with a micro USB cable. Now coming back to the speaker itself, it's got stereo speakers, which means that it provides pretty decent audio quality. The battery life also looks pretty decent, providing 6 hours long playback at about 70% of volume. It's IPX67 water resistant. Coming to the quality of the speaker itself seems to be pretty decent quality. It's got a rubbery plastic material on the bottom half of the speaker, while the top half has a mesh covering. Coming to the sides of the speaker, you see the buttons. It's got a power button, the volume controls, and the play and pause button. On the underside of the speaker, on opening the cap, you see the 3.5mm headphone jack and the micro USB charging output. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.